What's up everyone, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between the Samsung On7 Prime and the Redmi Note 4. Here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. Redmi Note 4 has already finished and Samsung is still far behind, so I'm just gonna fast forward a little. So guys, Redmi Note 4 was 51 seconds faster than Samsung On7 Prime. That's a huge number, but let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast Redmi Note 4 actually is. So guys, in this speed test, we got slightly different results from the solo speed test. Throughout the speed test, Redmi Note 4 was faster, but for all the regular apps except for games, the difference between both the phones is very small. Samsung was behind by a few milliseconds or by a second at max. So in the speed test, Redmi Note 4 is the winner, but Samsung isn't as worse as we have thought looking at the solo speed test results. Now let's see which of these apps are still in memory. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. By the way, I have the 3GB RAM variant of Samsung On7 Prime and the 4GB RAM variant of the Redmi Note 4. I have even disabled MIUI optimization and memory optimization on Redmi Note 4 to improve the memory management. So let's see how they perform. Even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory, and Samsung failed to do that. So even in the memory management round, Redmi Note 4 is the winner. Now that the memory management is over, now I'll open the last 4 games to see how fast Redmi Note 4 was when compared to the On7 Prime. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.